5 minutes to launch, and the computers completely froze. The mission was dead. But a team of young engineers,
Vikram-1,
average age
3,
just
2,
28,
1,
refused to quit.
normal liftoff.
They didn't just
Stage
fix
1
it,
performing
they
normally.
beat global superpowers
Approaching main
on
engine
their
cutoff.
very first try. This is the insane, untold story of Skyroot's Vikram-1. Picture this. It's July 18th, 2026. India's first ever private orbital rocket is about to make history. Suddenly, the automatic launch sequence halts. Heart rates spike. Millions on the live stream hold their breath. For aerospace giants, a T-minus 5-minute glitch means aborting and delaying for weeks. But this Gen Z and millennial team doesn't panic. They push through a tense 35-minute delay, recycle the countdown, and at exactly 12:05 p.m., this happens. With the deafening roar,
Vikram-1 in
Skyroot
3,
Aerospace's
2,
Vikram-1
1.
aced its maiden flight under mission Aagaman, placing its satellites perfectly into orbit. A flawless textbook success on attempt number 1. But how did a small Indian startup build something only a handful of nations can match? Let's look under the hood. Most traditional rockets are made of heavy aluminium alloys. Think of them like heavy armored trucks. Vikram-1? It is built entirely from an advanced carbon composite structure. It's essentially a carbon fiber sports car for outer space. Ultra lightweight, insanely strong, and uniquely agile. Skyroot designed it to act like an on-demand Uber XL for satellites, carrying up to 350 kilograms directly into low Earth orbit. The real magic is its 4-stage engine system. Let's break it down easily. Stage 1, 2, and 3 are solid fuel boosters named Kalam 1200, 250, and 100. Together, they unleash a massive 1,000 kilonewtons of peak thrust just to punch through Earth's heavy atmosphere. Fun fact, the Stage 3 Kalam 100 is the longest single-piece carbon rocket structure ever built in India. But solid rockets are like fireworks. Once you light them, you cannot turn them off until they burn out. That is where Stage 4 changes the game. The final stage, the Raman-1 module, uses liquid fuel and features 4 3D printed liquid engines. Because they are 3D printed, they have fewer joints and are highly reliable. Unlike the lower stages, these engines can turn completely off and restart multiple times in the vacuum of space. This allows the rocket to drop off different satellites into entirely different orbits during a single ride. Now, here's what the mainstream news missed. The crazy luxury hiding inside the nose cone. Alongside functional tech satellites like Scope and Solaris, Vikram-1 carried pure luxury art into the cosmos. Micro-artist Ajay Kumar Madevada crafted a miniature rocket out of pure 18-karat gold. It is smaller than a single grain of rice. Inside it are microsculptures of Indian space legends, Sir cvraman, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and Dr. Vikramsarabhai. Alongside it was Cosmic Bloom by Cosmos Diamonds, actual luxury diamond jewelry art designed to withstand outer space. Talk about a glittering milestone. But the most mind-blowing part of this launch is a cosmic calendar coincidence. When Vikram-1 cleared the pad on July 18, 2026, it wasn't just a random Saturday. Exactly 46 years earlier, on July 18, 1980, India's legendary space pioneer, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, led the launch of the SLV-3, India's first indigenous rocket to reach orbit. 46 years later, to the exact day, India launched its first privately built orbital rocket from the exact same spaceport. Founders Pawan Kumar Chandana and Naga Bharat Dhaka, both former ISRO scientists themselves, have beautifully bridged national legacy with private enterprise. This wasn't just a win for Skyroot. It was a massive leap for India's entire private space sector. The achievement got the attention of the highest office. Prime Minister Narendra Modi personally met with the Skyroot team, congratulating them on rewriting the rules of commercial spaceflight. With the government backing and cutting-edge tech, these young engineers proved that India isn't just participating in the global space race. It is setting the pace. Skyroot has validated 100% of its tech stack. As India's first space tech unicorn, they are scaling fast. Their new facility is built to manufacture one entire orbital rocket every single month. The era of waiting years for a satellite launch is officially over. If you want to see how Vikram-1 stacks up against global giants like Rocket Lab's Electron, let me know in the comments below. Smash that like button, subscribe for more mind-blowing space tech breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next story.